In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom Namecheap domain for GitHub pages. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Begin by navigating to the Namecheap website. When you arrive at Namecheap, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. Once you are on the site, look for the option that allows you to access your domain settings. This process starts by finding the area where your domains are listed. After you have accessed the website, focus on finding and selecting the domain management section. There is an option labeled Domain List, which is where Namecheap stores all the domains you own. Click on Domain List to view your collection of registered domains. This list is organized to help you quickly locate the specific domain you wish to work with. Once you have located the domain intended for use with GitHub pages, select it from the list. After selecting the particular domain, proceed by clicking on the Manage button. This action will take you to the management screen specifically for that domain, where a variety of settings become accessible to you. With the domain management interface open, look for the Advanced DNS section. This area is designed for users who wish to add custom configurations to their domain settings. By clicking on Advanced DNS, you gain the ability to modify records that control how internet traffic is handled for your site. Within the Advanced DNS section, locate the area labeled Host Records. Host records display the current entries associated with your domain and are where you will be adding the new configuration. Click on Host Records to proceed to the point where your domain's records can be edited. After you have entered the Host Records area, click on the option to add new record. This step initiates the process where you can introduce a new entry that will point your GitHub pages site to your custom domain. When you add a new record, make sure to select the type of record you wish to create. In this instance, you need to add a CNAME record. When the option for adding a CNAME record is available, you will be prompted to enter the details required for the record. You should input the host name and the value provided by your GitHub pages settings. This information usually includes the subdomain or the domain alias along with the pointer to the GitHub pages service. Be careful to enter the details exactly as provided to ensure proper functionality once the configuration has been saved. Once all necessary details have been accurately entered into the new CNAME record, finalize the action by clicking on Save Changes. Saving the changes will update your Namecheap domain configuration and the new DNS record will take effect. It is important to note that DNS propagation might take some time, so the new settings may not be immediately visible on all networks. By following these steps sequentially and ensuring each detail is entered with precision, your custom Namecheap domain will be effectively linked to your GitHub pages site. This streamlined process allows you to confidently manage your online presence without needing complicated configurations. Enjoy a smooth integration and a successful connection between your custom domain and GitHub pages.